E-bikes have really gone mainstream. You're seeing them everywhere. Here's the Chicago police and their nice new e-bikes. I saw one when I was just walking around town. Check this one out. Here we are at the Wal Mart in Niles, Michigan. And we see a nice, looks like it's a 2-battery configuration e-bike. Pretty sweet. It's a VIVI by Schwinn. You can see that's the controller behind the middle bar next to the back tire. That's the battery in front. And the battery's got an indicator on it, which is pretty cool. I don't know if it shows in the video, zoom in on it. Schwinn model. It's just a little dusty, but it doesn't look that bad. You can buy the VIVI at Wal Mart, but not inside the store. You got to order it. Then they can deliver it to your local location or take it to your house. Where for what that's worth, you can order from Amazon and save a few bucks. Put the links in the description page.